khona lakushadile kuyamjabulisa ukuthi nomama engamshada 10 years 15 years back usayenza lento ekayenza nasazwana.
Yes.
I don't know whether you understand me. Do you hear what I say? Nakafika you stand up. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe kunomntwana uthi umntwana nikulupapa lapha sukuma wena unless if you are sick. Wena sukuma uyothathela ubaba wakho. Uyazenzani? You teaching labantwana ukuthi kusasa nothathwa. This is how it's done. But if the children are doing a job that you're supposed to do, you are bringing trouble in the house. And this is not negotiable, it's a must. It's your husband. You cook for him. You make sure with him, but like I was telling somebody else. Not in a guarantee, I don't have a problem with that, but be careful with one thing. Don't be proud to uti gelako. Washing impahla zendota yako. Ayini impahla endota yako. Simadota, we take note. Don't be proud to me and to Angela ngilila ngamthanda lo sister. Wathi kimi lo mama, let me tell you. Endlini ikela malibamba amabhodo. Wathi chapara yami indoda must eat from the palm of the hand. Oh, I respected man. Professional sister. Wathi yami indoda ebiza mina ikhala. Because indoda ine tendency siso nasiqeda ukudla we want to go and give compliments. Can you imagine every time when the maid ehlala ipheka indoda ibeke ibongene ingabongweni umama umfazi toqala kumile something. Sasa lakamtshela ukuthi wow the best cook akekho umuntu okupheka njengawo. Kamuntu lo mama nakahlela lapho uzosmile. Sekabona ukuthi musangathi ne competition and by the way kamlo umuntu wami lo. Sasa uzala amaplan azini as something umuntu ozoqina. Ngoba uyabona i-danger zawo. Do you hear what I say? Listen, I'm teaching you that are not married. The only thing, angisho, kuba nesikhathi la uyifundisa khona le ntombazana. But make sure ukuthi nabayenza, they see you. Sasa bazothi wami umama, ubabambe kamtreata ngale ndlela. But if you don't do that, where do you expect the children to treat their husband like that? Yeah. Do it make sense?
Amen.
You move out of what? Your comfort zone. And number 4 that I wanted to mention, another thing that I wanted to mention. Listen very carefully. Let me tell you our secret. Last house we do begin. You know what we do? We make you feel that you are in charge while you're not when we are. Come again? Exactly. Ngamanye amagama, wise men, to avoid ukulwa, they make you feel that you're in charge when you are not. That is wisdom. And uzobona in the long run, but this man is smart.